Om Dhanvantri Namaha. Hello everyone, this is Yogita and I welcome you all to the 6th episode of Ayurveda for everyone. So today I am going to tell you how to identify your Prakriti, how to find out what Prakriti you are. So in my previous video I spoke about what Prakriti is and how unique it is to every individual, just like our fingerprints. So there are many ways that are mentioned in the Charak Samhita to identify your Prakriti, but I am going to speak about 4 main ways to find out your Prakriti. So the first is Darshan, second is Prashna, third is Nari Pariksha, and the fourth is the Lagna chart. So Darshan is something that when you see, when you inspect, so if you understand what Vata, Pitta and Kapha are, like the characteristics, then you will be able to identify what Prakriti you are. So when I learned about the Prakriti, so anywhere I went, I'm sitting in a cafe, I've gone to a friend's house, तो कोई भी आ रहा है जा रहा है, I would stop and inspect. I would just stop and for a second or two just stand and look at the person. Okay, what is the person, how does it look? How is it built? How is the hair? How are how's the skin? How are the eyes? Lot of things, that I would stop and, see. So, suppose I've seen somebody, who's tall, has got little frizzy hair, dry skin. तो idea हो जाता था कि हाँ, maybe that person is a Vata Prakriti. So suppose, then I see somebody who's got, pink skin, and little acne hair, and थोड़े red hair है, not black but little brownish hair है. So you understand कि maybe this person is a Pitta Prakriti. And then you see somebody who's got beautiful long shining hair with big eyes and beautiful moist skin. So then you understand कि maybe this person is a Kapha Prakriti. So if you want to find out what Prakriti you are, you understand what Vata, Pitta and Kapha is, and stand in front of the mirror and just have a look. खड़े होके देखो अपने आप को, आपको पता लग जाएगा मे बी आई एम अ वात पित्त प्रकृति और अ पित्त कफ प्रकृति और अ कफ वाता प्रकृति. This is one way to find out. That is self analysis. Now the second way to find out is the prashna. Prashna is like questions like how is your sleep, how is your digestion, what kind of foods you like, what kind of weather you enjoy, what kind of books you read, what kind of dreams you get. There are many questions. So these questions are widely available on internet. If you type what is my prakriti or what is my dosha on in Google, you'll get a lot of website that have these questionnaires, and you can go and answer those questions and आपको एक idea हो जाएगा. So these two are some one of few ways to find out what prakriti you are, but I would say these are not not 100%. They are around 80-85% accurate. But आपको अगर 100% accuracy चाहिए to find out what prakriti you are, then the third one is the Nadi Pariksha. Now Nadi Pariksha is done by trained people, trained Vaidyas, trained Ayurvedic doctors. It's a very unique way to find out what prakriti you are. So what happens here is that you have your wrist. Now for female it's the left hand, and for male it's the right hand. So like I'm a female, I'll show you like this, that you have your wrist here and you have these 3 fingers. You place them here, 1 inch below where your thumb, this cut is there, one finger below this. So start here and then you slightly press. Now this is not your regular pulse counting. It's got nothing to do with pulse, but this is a sensation that you will feel when you place your fingers like this under your thumb and slightly press it very gently, and you will be able to feel some kind of a sensation, some kind of movement. So what happens now, these 3 fingers, now if you feel a sensation or a movement in your this pointing finger right here at the tip, if you feel a sensation like a snake is moving, snake कैसे जाता है, बड़े करके चला जाता है, तो वैसे अगर कोई sensation आपको इस finger में feel होती है, then it is telling you that it is a Vata Prakriti. Now if you feel frog jumping like thud 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 thud, वैसी वाली sensation अगर यहाँ पे feel होती है, then it's a Pitta Prakriti. And here this is the Kapha finger. So कफा वाले जो होते हैं वैसे भी थोड़े अर्दी होते हैं, थोड़े स्लो होते हैं. So if you feel any sensation here, you will feel a movement like a swan, which is going very slow. So it's very interesting, and I've practiced this with every family member, every friend in my life. So just place your fingers here, and it's quite fun actually, to just guess. Okay, I can feel, like a snake moving. I can feel a frog jumping. So yeah, even my kids do that. I've taught them how to do it. So but this takes a lot of practice. I've been doing this for many, some time now, but I'm still not sure if I can be able to detect what Prakriti is. So it's just a guesswork. But yeah, this is what the Vedyas do. This is what the doctors do. This is when you go to a doctor, Ayurvedic doctor, this is how they will find out what Prakriti you are. They can also find out what Vikriti, that imbalance you are carrying. So this is the fourth way. Now the last is the Lagna chart. Now this is an astrological term. So now what happens is that, when a baby is being born, so there is, we all know that, cosmically something or the other is happening in the universe. So we have planets like, Saturn, Jupiter, Venus, Mars. They are placed somewhere or the other in the universe. Now the Lagna chart is the snapshot of the universe when a baby is being born. तो ये जो चार्ट होता है उसको देखकर जो trained astrologers होते हैं, even the doctors, even the Vedyas, they have knowledge of astrologer. When they look at your Lagna chart, they will be able to tell you what Prakriti you are born with. So interesting. I mean, I also check the Lagna chart and I read the Lagna chart. I am trained in astrology also as well. So I sometimes, when I have some doubts, but usually it doesn't happen. When I have some doubts, I refer to the Lagna chart to just confirm that what I'm thinking. I don't do the Nadi Pariksha, but I do the Darshan and the Prashna and the Lagna chart analysis. This is how I confirm that, okay, the person sitting in front of me is this Prakriti. So this is how you can find out what Prakriti you are. So this is the end of the video now. I hope this video was useful and you've learned something new today. And if you have anything at all, please reach out to me. I would love to answer your questions. And in my next video, I will be sharing a lot of information about Vata Prakriti. So I'll see you soon. Take care. Hari Om Tat Sat.